Greetings everyone, this is Andrea Marah. I just wanted to come to you with a new piece of equipment that I got for my business, and I already think I'm going to need one more. So this here is it's the tool that you see bakers use whether they're doing desserts or adding frosting or I don't remember exactly what it's called, but I don't know what I want to use it for. Either I want to use it for wax or I want to use it for Bath and Body, but you can't mix both of them. So I'm gonna get one more. I think this one was like $20 some, but I'm already thinking that this is gonna be a game changer, especially when I'm doing like a lot of really tiny things. Even this, just being able to be a little more accurate and stop the flow of my product a little more quickly. So I'll put the name of it in the description below. But I haven't used it yet, but I already know I want another one. Alright, peace and blessings. Stay sensational.